Hey watermelons, today I'm gonna be teaching some science. Sorry for not posting for a while, but it's fine. So this is for grade 6 right now. And for the other grades, please just like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you could be verified on other videos. So
not verified, just you get a notification when you post a video. So just everyone just please
go brush your hair, please. Okay, so let us go to the place. So today we're gonna be learning about plants. So, but not this normal plant stuff. So, go to plant reproduction. So we're gonna be learning plant reproduction for today. So there's a sexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So let's start about those. Please go.
Okay.
So some plants don't need seeds to make new plants. Like there's some plants that don't need seeds to make new plants. Like there's so much plants that do not even have seeds. I know it's weird, guys. So some plants can be grown from a leaf, stem, or another plant part, as shown in Figure 9. So there's a Figure 9. I don't know if I can wait, like. This is not an important part of this, but yeah. So asexual reproduction occurs when, I don't know actually how to say it in the, I don't know if you can understand me saying it that way, so I'm just gonna say occurs when only one parent organism or part of that organism produces a new organism. So asexual is when one parent only reproduces a new organism, and sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction is the one important. I have highlighted it in my book. So let's go on it that fast. So we still do some stuff about asexual reproduction, and let's go to the sexual reproduction. The process of sexual reproduction involves male sex cells and female sex cells. So there are two sex cells, male sex cells and female sex cells. So each sex cell, get out of here. So this is really easy actually, because it just tells you some stuff about asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So let's go on complete. So each sex cell contributes genetic material to the offspring. Like animals, plants produce sperm, which are the male sex cells, and eggs, which are the female sex cells. So they're the eggs are the female sex cells, and the plants produce this sperm cell. The sperm this is the male cells. So let's complete. So this is an important part, so you guys gotta concentrate on this part if you have any tests or anything like that. So yeah. So let's go on it. So guys, this is gonna be really easy, and fun. And this lesson is a little tall, but it's fine, guys. And I'm going to be doing also another part, which I'm going to be explaining lesson 1, because this is lesson 2 for now. And yeah, so comment down below if you want me to teach anything else, like other stuff. There's a lot of stuff I could teach. I know it's not that, I'm not that good at that, but I also can do other stuff, and you guys could tell me if it's bad, anything bad I couldn't explain well, so I could do it better next time. So let's complete. Fertilization occurs when a sperm and an egg join. Combining their genetic material, sexual reproduction produces individual that have a different genetic makeup than the parent organism or organisms, both seedless plants, and seed plants can reproduce sexually. So like both of them can reproduce sexually. This is what I just read right here. So you guys, if you don't understand anything, just comment down below and I'm gonna do it in the next video. So can you please go in another place? Can you please go in another place? So here we go, guys. So plant life cycle. This one everyone had learned it like long time ago, but this now it's been a little harder and other stuff happened together. So let us start, guys. Guys, don't worry, guys. Everyone can learn stuff. Some of you guys don't learn it very fast, but like me, I really learn slow, but I also do learn at the end. So like it's fine, whoever you are, just anything. So here we go. There are 2 stages in the life cycle of every plant. The gametophyte. Look, so this is how to say it. It's like gametophyte. So this is how to say it, like gametophyte. It's like easy to say. It's like a little hard to say because it's not to say how it's written, but yeah. So it's complete. Stage and the spora. It's like sporophyte. Sporophyte. So like there's sporophyte and gummyphyte. Gummyphyte. It's like gummita. Oh, like this one I can't actually really read it. That's gametophyte and sporophyte. Yeah, it's easy. So there are 2 stages called gametophyte and sporophyte. Okay, now I can say it well. So the gametophyte stages begin with a spore or haploid cell. Through mitosis and cell division, the spore produces a plant structure or an entire plant called a gametophyte. So like it produces an entire plant called gametophytes. This is what I just heard about that. So let's go to the important part. During sexual reproduction, a male sex cell and a female sex cell combine. If fertilization occurs, a diploid cell forms as shown in Figure 10. So Figure 10 is how it looks. Look at this. Can't exactly one photo. Did you guys see it? So this is Figure 10. Let us complete. So let's go to seedless plants. This is an important part, so let's go. Plants that do not produce seeds are called seedless plants. This is something really easy to know, you guys. It says, like, it's really easy because, like, it tells its name is seedless plant. Seedless plant. So, like, the seedless plant does not produce seeds. So here we go. They can reproduce either by asexual reproduction or by spores. Okay, let's see what are spores. Spores are produced by this sporophyte. So like it's the same name or something. So like spores and sporophyte, results from sexual reproduction. Most liverworts and ferns are examples of seedless plants. So there's like ferns are examples, and Moses, liverworts, and other stuff like Moses, liverworts, ferns. Okay, so the life cycle of a fern is shown in Figure 11. This is like really important, so you guys gotta see it. Here, guys. This is steps. So let us read the life cycle. Oopsies. Here we go. So here it says a ferment plant mature sporophytes. Okay. Young sporophyte growing on a gametophyte life cycle begins again. So here, gametophyte produces male and female sex cells, sperm and egg. Fertilization. Like sperm and egg form fertilization. This is what it says right here. So here we go. Seed plants. Most plants produce seeds that result from sexual reproduction. The plants reproduce pollen grains which contain sperm. They also produce female structures which contain one or more eggs. The process that occurs when pollen grains land on a female plant structure of a plant in the same species is pollination. So pollination is the process that occurs when pollen grains land on a female plant structure of a plant in the same species. This is called pollination. So let us go and see what does dormancy mean. Dormancy, which is a period of no growth. Dormancy might last days, weeks, or even years. Once environmental conditions are favorable, the seed will become active again. So, like this, which is a period of no growth, dormancy might last like days, weeks, years. This is weird. So let us go. So guys, guys, can you see this? This is a cycle, a plant cycle too, but it is the gymnosperm's life cycle. So let's read about the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm reproduction. The life cycle shown in figure 12, which I just showed you, is typical of gymnosperm. Notice that pollen is produced by the male cone, while the eggs and eventually the seeds are contained within the female cone. So, as I told you, it's just really easy lesson, guys. Nothing hard in this. You could do it in a seconds. Guys, we're really almost done. So here we go. Let us complete, and then at the end we're gonna be asking some questions. This is really easy, which everyone can know. Okay, so angiosperm reproduction. Flowering plants often are seen in parks and around houses. You might not know that some plants, such as grasses and maple trees, produce flowers. Some aquatic flowering plants are less than 1 millimeter in length. In length. So here we go. Most flowers have 4 main structures. The petals, which attract insect or animal pollinators, might be brightly colored. It might be brightly colored. So the sepals are usually located beneath the petals and help protect the flower when it is a bud. So the female reproduction organ of a flower is the pistil. So a female reproduction organism is a organ of a flower is a pistil. So I don't. Just if you didn't understand it, you can repeat it, guys. So let's see. Let's complete. It contains the ovary, where the seed develops. Okay, the stamen. Okay, the stamen is male reproductive. Oh yeah, the stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower. So this is what a stamen is. The stamen is the male reproduction organ of a flower. So pistil is for like female and stamen is for male. Well, let's complete. An important part. See this. One moment. So here. So here my mom was asking which lesson is this, and I was like, okay, this lesson 2. Okay, she was like, fine. Okay, here we go. This one lets us go on reading it if it's got something important. So there's haploid, pollen grains, gametophyte stage on pistil. Okay. Diploid cell beginning of sporophyte stage. And this is not something to explain. It just shows you some stuff and like, yeah. So here we go. Let's complete. So growth cycles, plants that grow from a seed and produce flowers in one growing season are called annuals. They must be planted every year. So it's questions time. Here we go. Lesson 2 review. Let's go. Okay, guys. Okay. Now you gotta see me this time. So, 1. A period of no growth is called. I'm gonna leave you some time to find out what is it and come back. Come on, guys, I'm waiting. Come on, write the answers. Come on, comment down below your answer. So I'm gonna say the question one more time because if you didn't hear it, a period of no growth is called. A period of no growth. I'm waiting. You done? Did you comment? Come on, wait. Okay, I'm waiting. So guys, the answer was Durmanacy. So Durmanacy, let's see, what does Durmanacy mean one more time? Durmanacy, which is a period of no growth. Durmanacy must last days, weeks, or even years. Once environment conditions are favorable, the seed will become active again. So if you said that, you were right. Let's see another question. Define pollination on your own words. Okay, come on, define it. Come on, guys, what is pollination? So I'm gonna tell you the meaning of pollination, then you gotta say it in your own words. The process that occurs when pollen grains land on a female plant structure of a plant in the same species is pollination. So like, the process occurs. Okay, pollination is when the process occurs when pollen grains land on a female plant structure of a plant in the same species. This is pollination. So you can say it in your own words. So just say it in your own words. Okay, here we go. Let's go and see another question. Here we go. Okay, let's try writing a sentence. Let's try saying a sentence with 2, which are pistil and state. Okay, let's see what this pistil and state mean. The female reproductive organ of a flower is the pistil. So let's go for which has a cone for its reproductive structure. This is really easy, guys. So, which has a cone for its reproductive structure? Cone. Easy. So A is angiosperm, B gymnosperm, C hornworts, D Horsetail. Now let us check. Comment down below. So guys, I'm not gonna say it. You guys gotta comment down below, and I'm gonna tell you if you're right or wrong. So yeah, let's complete. Let's see any good question to ask. Okay, let's say some stuff about sexual and the sexual. So let's just contrast or something. So sexual includes one parent, and sexual includes two parents. So, oops. So we gotta finish fast because this is almost done. Okay. So this is really easy, and then just okay. So that was complete. It's easy, guys. You gotta know it. You gotta know it. Sexual and asexual. Anything. The process of asexual reproduction involves the male sex cells and female sex cells. So some plants don't need seeds to make new plants. This is for asexual. This is for asexual. The other one for this is asexual. For sexual. This is for asexual, and the other one was for sexual. So we're done for today, guys, and this is the book. So it's science, and it's integrated science. Course 1. Here's Mc Graw Hill Education. So we're done for today, guys, and we're gonna be doing more fun videos, but not for studying. But sometimes we'll be for studying too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today, and love you guys so much, and yeah, love you watermelons, and see you next video today, because we're gonna be planning a surprise party for our soccer coach. This is gonna be exciting, but wait. So I can be even really good at soccer today. I gotta do something. This is yummy. This is yogurt milk, I think. This is how I say it in English because I don't know. Okay. This is yogurt milk. It's amazing. It will make you, like, your brain get, like, really interested in so many stuff. So drink it before studying every time, okay? This is delicious. Let us just make some, for fun for right now, let us just make a mustache. Do you like my mustache? I'm real sorry, it's going off. So thank you guys for watching. Next time, come and watch Mr. Mustache. Kidding. Bye, guys. Bye, watermelons. Love you all. And you gotta subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and like. So bye, guys. Love you all. Bye.